Me, manners. Don't forget.
It was Mimi's special birthday party. Balloons bounced, music played, and yummy cake waited. Mimi was so happy. All her friends were there to celebrate. Mimi opened a new sparkly robot toy. Wow, she cheered. Her friend Leo asked, "Can I play too, Mimi?" Mimi hugged her robot tight and said, "No, it's mine." Leo's smile faded a little. Mimi's mommy saw. She gently whispered, "Mimi, sharing your fun makes everyone happier, and it makes your heart feel warm too." Mimi looked at Leo's sad face, then at her shiny robot. She thought about Mommy's words. Mimi smiled and held out the robot. "Okay, Leo, we can play with my robot together." Leo's eyes lit up. He and Mimi laughed and played with the robot, making it dance. They had so much fun together. Mimi felt a happy, warm feeling inside.